One of the hardest parts of monetizing a YouTube channel is the first 100 subscribers. According to experience and research, users subscribe to channels with less than 100 subscribers much harder. In this video, I wanted to explain to you the methods that I was able to get the first 100 subscribers of the income inside your channel. The first thing you need to do is make the video searchable. In this case, you can attract a lot of traffic to your channel. Searchable content and recommendable videos have different titling and tagging methods. For example, this video is a searchable video because if you don't know how to create an account in TikTok, you will be confused. How to create a TikTok account and videos from this category will be displayed for you. Well, the second example is a recommendable video. You never type the search title of this video into the search bar, so this video will definitely get views using the suggestion system. For smaller channels with less than 100 subscribers, it's better to create searchable videos to attract the best impression of their channel. 2. Stealing other people's content. Yes, you heard that right, stealing. But you have to do this in principled and correct way. So, what is a basic form of stealing? This is the best way to find trending content in your niche. The way it works is that you go to the channels of your competitors first, and after that, you pay attention to the videos that have been uploaded for less than 3 months. And now you should go to the most viewed videos of your competitor in the last 3 months. Now the videos you found are the most trending videos in your niche and are the best option for making videos for you. These topics, which have received the most views, have proven that the audience is very interested in these topics, and if you make videos on these topics, you will definitely grow well. But you should not make the video structure exactly like these videos. First, you should watch 5 similar videos on this topic and write a summary of each video. Now present the summary of these 5 videos to the audience in one video. This is a small robbery which is highly recommended for the beginning of your work. And now you have made a video with the same topic but different content. Now you can upload this video and now you have the best chance to improve your channel. 3. Optimize your channel. This issue is very important. You must have a suitable profile picture, have a beautiful and attractive banner so that the audience is satisfied to subscribe to your channel. Your profile should be simple and show itself well, even from a distance. Preferably, if you have a logo for your channel, put the logo as a profile. And if you are in front of the camera, you can use your appearance for the profile. And these are examples of appropriate profiles and inappropriate profiles. According to these profiles, you can create a standard profile for yourself. And thumbnails. You must use colors that attract attention, such as yellow or red, so that the audience is attracted to you. Another criterion for thumbnail is simplicity. Thumbnail should convey the topic to the audience at the first glance. The next thing is that you should not use too much text on your thumbnail. You can use a maximum of 3 or 4 words in your thumbnail. Be sure to get ideas from your competitors because the thumbnails they have used have been welcomed by the audience and in your niche. That style of thumbnail has a good yield. 4. Short video. One of the most important ways to grow small channels is definitely short videos because YouTube wants to expand the short video section to compete with other platforms. So those who make short video will definitely be encouraged by YouTube and YouTube promotes them. If you can make a standard short video, you will definitely get 1k views, and with 1k views you will get 5 to 10 subscribers. Of course, these numbers are the minimum you can get on YouTube Short, and this number depends on the quality of your content. But notice, short videos give you little income compared to the view you get, and you will only use short videos to attract audience and bring these contents to your long videos, and in this way you can earn good income from your short audience. I did this technique on my channel and got 5 subscribers with these 2 short videos. 5 subscribers for your first business can be very effective, especially if the competition in your niche is high. But the important question is how to make a quality short video that will go viral and get millions of views. In this video, I simply explained the points that the videos above 1 million followed.